All right, welcome back. We are on level 3. So this is another predict level. So it says predict. This program has one small difference that will make it run a little differently. Again, though, remember, all your code outside the draw loop is run first, one time. All your code inside the draw loop is run over and over forever. So what will this program do? Write your prediction below. All right, so it says world frame rate it gets 5. No stroke, background blue, fill yellow. Function draw background red, ellipse random number 0, comma 400, random number 0, comma 400. All right, so I think we'll first see a blue background, and then we'll see. So I'm seeing that fill yellow, so whatever is below the sign is going to be yellow, and then we see background red and ellipse. So this is really interesting. I take that back. I think we're going to see. I think we'll see a red background and then yellow circles. All right. So let's. There we go. All right. So run. Okay. So I was slightly off. I thought we were going to see a lot of circles. We are actually only seeing one circle. All right, so let's take that. We're going to click finish, and I will see you on the next level. All right, here we go.